Well, that's why I was back here, so that that's a big tractor. Alright.
Hey guys, so I wanted to give you a little information on what's going on here today. We were in need of a new tractor, and I found this one on Craigslist. It's a Hesston 1880 DT, which is diesel turbo, and unfortunately they are kind of a rare tractor. Well, fortunately, unfortunately, I don't know. It depends on how you look at it. So, this tractor, let's see here. It's a four-wheel drive. It's has a Fiat engine in it, a 6-cylinder. It has 162 horsepower and hydrostatic power steering, and an air-conditioned cab. Although we have to fix the air conditioning. You know, they originally sold. This is probably around a 1984. And its original selling price was about $57,000. So in today's market, probably be a $100,000 tractor. Let's see, what other information can I give you? Anyways, we got a really good price on this tractor. It's a little bit larger than than maybe we needed, but I don't think it's too large. We have a lot of work that we're gonna be using this tractor for, and so I was just excited about it and thought I'd do a little video. And I tried to get to make this video a little more interesting, so I just have some different camera angles and stuff, and hopefully you enjoy it. So I will let you enjoy the rest of the video because it's not very long. And if you guys liked it, please let me know in the comments, and hit the like button, and subscribe if you haven't, and please share if you think other people would be interested in this. Anyhow, we really appreciate your support, and have a great day.
Cool. Huh? Well, we're gonna try to take it to the back.
You got it going?
Huh?
You got it going?